The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch.
Dancehall. Girls, don't beg someone to hear me attack. Look like woman we get some man shot. Hard to find a man nowadays to browse back when I have 10 woman from here so to New York. Chewy a man and we know some man short and the woman them no food and make them fat. Keeping them a honey bunch and fat is sweetheart, and if them open them mouth we break up them clot. Some man only keep one woman, just like me. What a good man I am. Love me. Start from this one here. Listen. Some man only keep one woman, just like me. What a good man I am. Nothing see a lie. Alright, ask Sharon. Although Sharon I know my right woman. So, anyway, some woman them are like that. Some of them can say no whenever they man back. If she did say no when me did come back, how the hell I could have get to go between her legs? In a way, dear, me go down and carry him down. When we look, we see one breeder woman will make me walk and gaze, lick me toe, knock me and two dog and got me chop in a garbage bag. One of my friends shout, you are mad, man. Yeah, man. Me a actor, yeah. One of my friends shout, you are mad, man. You don't know who a Fioros one. You don't know a Big John with cloth, the 10-man box, the 50 cow and them only final. Me ball out, I don't care a damn. This is most fatal attraction. Anyway, me see her again, hear me man. When me done with her, she have to forget Big John. Guess what? One Sunday morning, bright and early, I wake up and say yes again. John go down, look across the road. Yes, from me say, now the same pretty woman come and muggle for me. Hear me not in my mind, me have to get she. If she a dog, me want to catch flea. Sweet to the clarty. Sweet to the. Love me. Me brush off me hand, knock off me knee, and go over to her and count 1, 2, 3 and say, my God, what a man wicked is. She said, oh, me say your husband, them gone spree and leave you for walk and kill yourself. Them not to say you're 100% pedigree girl. You know you need a room, you like me. If it does, you don't fling upon me dresser like a figure. Take a big son. Hold on. Yeah, man, you have to give it to them, man. Yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Yo, baby, you need a room, you like me. If it does, you don't have a finger for me dresser like a figure to the big Sunday. You should all don't see your mark in a G-string on the almond tree. You don't even know. Hold on. Mrs. She blushed and the year she said, me say, look baby, when lost you feel free, make a help you carry the bag and I hope you agree for make we discuss matters over 2 cups of tea. That's why I help her carry the grocery to make you convinced that I have the quality, the respect, the etiquette and the common courtesy. She couldn't tell me no to my checking no man ability. In the house, we sit down in a settee, you know. Little after that, she don't drink the tea. What? She get up and lock the door with the key. You know, my hands start shake, don't mention the knee. Here I know, make you so nervous, man. We say, I know that, what about your husband? She said, oh, Big John, him gonna Cayman. You know, him gonna left from there to go to London. Well, she see so me heart good up, bam. Rasta know that he's the tension. She get up and come and rub down me and me just fling when me pants I go if you know where them like. You know the bed, now it's time for action. After me go up on top of her, we go make connection. At the go so we go jam the door now. Bam bam, when she shout, who is it? The vice at Big John. Sweet your clarty. Well, want me get beat up here? Alright. Woo! Are you enjoying yourself, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah, you are. You are, oh, you will give this slow. And run. Whatever. It's still a holler. No, my lyrics don't know tonight. For me come, my brother, them and kill me for DJ. No, it's my business, but I'm gonna share it with you.
Big John, Ross.
Big John?
Yes.
You're too bad.
Yes.
You hear your voice, so you sound like him. Hey, you name Big Fred and me name Little Coward. Whoa.
Little coward.
All the brethren them want to hear the lyrics. Don't laugh. Same way. Careful how you put before tonight, though. You might have end up with a body come, though. Careful how you put before tonight, though. Don't laugh, you know. I get a checkup from my doctor. Regular. Till my body not end up in a sickness. Rasta gun yam and banana, fish and flour. Aki, porridge, give me body no stop. Diarrhea go to take the sake of milk powder. We never jackfruit and 10 gizzard, I go drink 3/4 milk and yam 20 bulla and poop. Cool no master. Make me remember is when that happened. Both year before last, round 10 past 7 after me jamming our minivan me full of people. Cool off of the back, very comfortable. Shh. After me put me they kind of frightened because me feel something but me never too certain. If me see this weather I do, me do but what? And me know me sit down in or something. One girl when beside me, they look and say, me look at her and say, young lady, want me. She said, somebody put me. Said, mine I know you own no put all the while I got along I can't own no. See? Same time you hear a old man say, you no can't smell good, you no nose no open. Poop don't smell, so you are hear me people. That's somebody with fat supposed to shit too. The rest, hold on. Whatever. One rascal sit down with a piece of bamboo. You're a man, search a dread, and did I eat mango? He tried to lick him with a bag and say, what? Don't put that on you. On a search on yourself, and not have batty. Everybody get up and start to argue and say, we must find this one, kill that with people. We make sure ball out. Nigga people, why them always at the peanut dog? Do, careful of your own, before tonight, you might have heard of it, nobody come back. Careful of your own, before tonight, not to be sure, to be more precise, well, I never really believe some shit to round with the red because I rub me turn in that hole. The two sides of the Ross, my pants full. Whatever. Cool whatever. Cooler man better joke than that. I managed to come up at the next stop. I may look fool, but me and no idiot. I when the bus reach to stop, they still sit down and chat. The doctor him know me, him work on the bus. Him want give me way here, him go say, well, I'm nuts. No, you stop this. We say, go away, your head boss. You forget to that deliver by the bus terminal, no, careful of you. Before tonight, you might have heard up with a body come down. Careful of you, before tonight. Story time. Girl when they beside me, she come in like scout. I dig up and I pull up and I look all bout. She gonna look at me how we and start skin up her mouth. Hear me nothing on my mind, wonder if she fine out. Sweet on the clock too. Voila. So said, so done. You see when she bow. Look down on my foot and say, kiss me bull cow. One stop driver let me off now. This a brother here, she took the bus to go. Sweet you. Sweet yo. Manala. She looked at my shoes, it's like she confused me. Go ahead, sir, she loves this style. She ball, move. Then call one man and say, have me excuse, sir. Look on that, they say, if he shit, that's her shoes. The man start laugh and they hear him say, man, you shit up yourself. He say, move and go, you're too fast. So me dinner, me dig got under there. And when the bus drop in a patrol, me dinner that. Hold on! No!
Viewers and subscribers, big up. This is the Dancehall Skilla again. The man who me just show you a while ago, the man who is singing, that's Professor Nuts. The Professor Nuts. That man is a legend, you know. I would say that Professor Nuts is a Jamaican comedian artist, but he's an artist. Top of the shelf, you see me? For decades right now, this man has been, you know, him standard not drop. It's like once people see Professor Nuts, they know, say, yo, the night I go alright, you can laugh, you can enjoy yourself, everything good. You see me? And really and truly, when you check it out, Professor Nuts get the props, but in my point of view, me think him should get more props than what he might get right about now. Because Professor Nuts, I want a real outstanding artist, real legend out there, you see me? Yes, you have a lot of legend out there as well, you know? You see me? Others were in a film era music from 80s come up straight through 90s and so forth, you see me? But Professor Nuts, him not change. You know, when some man standard drops as a musician out there in Jamaica, or Jamaican musician, you'd say, Professor Nuts, his don't drop. You see me? Because really and truly, that song you when you sing, this first piece of song when you sing, where the man knock on the door when you say, and all them think that one then normal. You see me? Yeah, we know this one with the be careful how you know, before the night done, and so we know that one. You see me? Yeah, well, me know that one. I don't know about some of my viewers and subscribers if you don't know that one. You see? Alright? But anyways, big up to Professor Nuts. You see me? Yeah, I want to big up all Jamaican artists, so I say, but big up to Professor Nuts. Professor Nuts, a real living legend in a Jamaica music and Jamaican music history. You see me I say? I'm have to say big him up. You see? Yeah man, I have to show you my viewers and subscribers, make you have a look at this. This shows of Professor Nuts doing a performance. You see what I'm saying to you here? And more information about this performance, however, you know the thing go already, you see me? Not everything had been collected where me can say, yo, add this or that, you see it? But I just want to big him up. Professor Nuts that, yeah, icon. Alright? So let me know what you think about Professor Nuts' performance. That's what I say. And you don't know me Dancehall Skilla, I'm there to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. And if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it? Hey my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.